Hey, what's up? Welcome, guys. My name's Dr. Dom, and I want to welcome all the newbies to Stress Kicker. So, on this channel, my goal is to give you different content Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and maybe some other days, but Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays to help you effectively kick stress where it counts. So, today is Monday, and that's Mindset Monday. And I've talked about this in the past, just starting your day off right. And I'm gonna kind of continue with that whole themey theme. Cool. So Mindset Mondays, starting your day off, like it makes a big difference, and it sets the tone for the rest of the day. So, you know, starting your day off right away with an attitude of gratitude. We've talked about that. And then, like, after that, what do? Like, are you reaching for your phone to check your emails, to check your calendar? Or are you, which causes a lot of stress, right? Starting the day off, like, you did your attitude of gratitude, now bam, you're into checking your emails and getting stressed out about the day. Or, what I would recommend you do is start off reading something positive, something inspirational, motivational, or watching something motivational, like these videos. You know what I'm saying? um, but whether it's I don't care what it is, guys. It like if you did like if you're religious and you want to open up to the Bible, like back when I was in Catholic school, after the nuns got done whacking my hands because I dropped a pencil or something, they would recommend to randomly open up the Bible and pick a passage to, and that was your message for the day. So, if that's something that resonates with you, go for it. Open up the Bible, randomly select a passage, or just start reading the Bible, whatever works for you. But something that's gonna inspire you for the day. What I like to do is grab a book. One of them is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. I'm sure you've heard about it. If you haven't, I'll put a link in the description below so you can check it out. But I highly recommend you do read it. And even if you've already read it, like I've read it a couple times, I still will in the mornings open up to a page here and just like look. Obviously I've got it all like highlighted. If I don't know if you can see that, but dog-eared, and it's used. But start off like with an abundant mindset. Start my day off that way. So we'll talk all about abundant mindset actually in another video, I'm sure, because that's pretty huge. But starting your day off with positive, inspiring thoughts. Another one is, speaking of positive thoughts, is positive thoughts every day. Kind of reminds me of like back in the day with Saturday Night Live, Jack Handey. For those of you that are maybe around my age, young. Deep Thoughts by Jack Handey. Think Positive Thoughts Every Day by Dr. Dom. No, I didn't write it, but, just, I might do that. I might do some videos like that. It'd be fun. Anyway, so I just like today, I opened it up, right? Random. Opened it up. Boom. Oops. And it's Let Go. And so for that one, actually, can't see. I need my glasses. But the message is let go, which is like, listen, I'm a work in progress like everybody else. I can like actually see. Let go. If you want to be healthy, morally, mentally, and physically, just let go. Let go of the little annoyances of everyday life, the irritations and the petty vexations that cross your path daily. Don't take them up. Nurse them, pet them, and brood over them. Don't do it. They are not worthwhile. Let them go. Learn to let go. As you value health of body, of peace of mind, let go. Just simply let go. The author is unknown. So, and that's another topic of letting go, but that was something that the universe, a message I needed to hear. Definitely is a message I need to hear. Something I continue to work on, letting go of the shit that doesn't serve me anymore. And so, my stress kicker tip: Mindset Mondays. Find something positive to read after you do your attitude of gratitude. Instead of reaching for your phone, checking your emails out, that shit can wait. Start your day off with something positive. Think and Grow Rich, whatever book inspires you, the Bible, or some other spiritual book. Think Positive Thoughts. This is a great book. Every day, positive thoughts. I'll put a link for this too, if I can find it. And but that's it. To start your day off, set the tone for the rest of the day. My stress kicker tip to help you start the day off right. Monday morning mindset, Monday mindset to kick stress where it counts. Till next time, peace.